How to share photos directly from Me First of all, open the app and tap on the photo section and select a photo you want to share from your gallery. Once your photo opens, edit it, and after finishing your edit, tap on the Save button usually located at the top right corner of the screen. After your photo is saved, you will see the share option to share your photo directly to social media platform, messaging apps or email. Choose your preferred platform, adjust any caption or settings if needed, and tap send or post. Sharing photos directly from Me saves time and keeps your high quality edits intact. You can quickly showcase your selfies, portrait or creative edits with friends, family and followers in just a few taps. Now you know how to share photos directly from Me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.